We're going to the grocery store. We're gonna grab a couple of stuff, and then we're gonna come back and cook some food. Let's go. I have my shopping list for today's haul. I'm already in the tea and kind of bakery aisle. I need brown sugar, I need tea, and I need coffee. I'm out of like my major shit. Oh my god, this is back in stock. I love these beanie coffees. They are amazing. And I see a variant that I'm very excited about. Sweet cinnamon. I got coffee. It's so funny, they have menopause tea, but I don't think I'm there yet. Oh my god, these puka teas are 11,000 naira. That's crazy. Trying to find a variant I like. Beauty tea has chamomile, turmeric, basil, and lavender. I kind of like the idea of a beauty tea. Tetley super herbal radiance, happy tummy, super fruit boost, immunity. I'm always for immunity teas. I love me a good immunity tea. I think I'll get this one. I'll get the Tetley Superfruit Immune with vitamin C, and we are exactly opposite the brown sugar. I'll go to the other side and get kitchen tissue, stuff like that. Excuse me. Let's get some kitchen roll. I found it. Toothpaste, because I gotta keep my mouth fresh and clean. I've gotten all my household stuff. Now it's time to get like food stuff. And I have a lot of veggies I want to get. Let's start. I want to get some apples. Because an apple a day keeps the doctor away. I also wanted pineapples, but they don't sell pineapples here. Sausages down there. I want to get potatoes. Yeah. Tomatoes. I want garlic. But they don't have... Okay. It's good. Good. Cilantro. Maybe they'll have, maybe they won't. These guys might struggle with cilantro. Oh, they actually have pineapples at the bottom right here. I hope it's good and sweet. Let me just get one. I want a pineapple. It's actually on my list. But yeah, no cilantro from what I can see. Okay, the other stuff is canned. So I'll get that in the aisle where I'll get my veggies. I said my veggies, my chicken. Everything is stuck together. There you go. Looking at my shopping list, I'm almost done. I want chicken breast and chicken thigh. But the chicken breast, I just want one. Just one, yes, just one piece. And then chicken thigh, that one. This pack. How much is it? 4 pieces, yes. Can you help me cut it? So each one into 3 pieces. Yes, cut that one. So that one you slice it, that one you cut. Thank you. Done shopping. About to check out and head home. Ouch. Ooh, that's a lot of stuff. Whew. I got a lot to cook. I need to eat. Once I eat, I'm coming to sort this out.
1 hour later.
All right, let's get into the cooking now. I'm not cooking this first thing I'm doing. I'm breaking down the pineapple. I did not actually know how easy and simple it was to break down a pineapple. For the life of me, I thought it was like this complicated thing that you had to like remove the core and do all that stuff. But I just watched one YouTube video and it just showed me this method and I was like, oh, that is so damn simple. Like, why haven't I been doing this since? I now eat pineapples on a regular. They're my favorite form of fruit. Well, it's between pineapples, apples, and grapes. I am gonna be having this for breakfast, even sometimes before I go to the gym, unless I'm doing protein heavy days. But I usually like to keep my breakfast light with like yogurt and fruits. I am going to prep my chicken breast that I want to use to make my sauce. I'm going to slice it into little pieces. Then I'm going to do a dry rub slash cold fridge marinade where I'm going to season it and then leave it open in the fridge, because apparently the fridge does something to chicken or poultry or anything actually that you marinate this way. And I'm going to be seasoning it with salt, black pepper, garlic powder, paprika, a little bit of cinnamon, and I'm going to mix that all up so every single piece of the chicken breast is coated. Once everything is nice and coated, I'm going to stick it in the fridge for about an hour. Now I'm going to be marinating my chicken thighs, and for today's marinade I'm going to be using ketchup, soy sauce, chili sauce. Now you can get bottled one like I'm using here, or you can make some at home. Honey, brown sugar, the brine of preserved jalapenos. I know, it's crazy. And I'm gonna season it with salt, garlic powder, cinnamon, paprika, black pepper, and red chili flakes. With everything in the bowl on top of the chicken, we're gonna mix that up and make sure that it enters each and every piece of the chicken. Once that's done, I am going to section them into Ziploc baggies so that whenever I'm ready to cook, I don't have to defrost a whole thing. I can just take out the bag that I want to cook, making it easier for me to make meals. I'm about to put together an amazing salad that I actually found on TikTok. It's called Cowboy Caviar. It has a lot of ingredients that I don't remember right now off the top of my head, so I'm gonna put them on the screen. The last ingredient that I was waiting for that it didn't have at the supermarket was cilantro, so I ordered it online and I got it, and now I'm prepping that. I didn't want you guys to watch me just be endlessly chopping up veggies, because honestly the longest part of making this salad, Cowboy Caviar, is the prep. It's cutting and chopping everything because it consumes, or it needs, a lot of chopped stuff. As soon as I'm done with adding the parsley, because even the supermarket online I ordered from did not have cilantro, I'm going to be making the dressing for the salad, and it's very simple dressing. I'm going to be using some white vinegar, olive oil, the juice of one whole lemon, and then I am going to season it with salt, black pepper, chili flakes, red chili flakes, and a little bit of Italian seasoning, and also some brown sugar. Yes, I'm gonna mix that up, pour it on top of the salad, and mix it all together. As I'm mixing it, you can see all the beautiful colors of all the ingredients. It's such a beautiful and tasty salad. When I made it for Coco when she was in town, we ate the whole thing entirely. Yes, the whole dang tin. We ate the entire tin entirely. It was so good. And this salad is the type of salad that does well. It doesn't wilt. It stays amazing in the fridge, and it lasts very long. I'm gonna transfer it to this huge bucket slash container I have. I need a smaller one, and now that as I'm recording this, I realize I do have a smaller one. I'm gonna go back and put the salad in a better bowl, because that's too big for what it is. I'm chopping onions right now for the chicken breast sauce that I want to make. This is actually the only thing that I'm cooking on my meal prep day, and that is because I have outsourced 50% of my cooking to Kosi's auntie's house girl. You see, that woman makes amazing food, and for the month of October I asked her to make jollof rice for me and to make stir-fry pasta for me as well. I don't have to cook as much as I used to. All I have to do is basically prep the protein that's going to be going along with these meals, which is what I've been doing. Prepped my chicken breast, I prepped my salad, and now I'm about to make this amazing chicken sauce. The ingredients for the chicken sauce are chicken, garlic, onions, bell peppers, and a can of tomatoes. The first thing that we're going to do is heat up some oil and fry the chicken breast. This is going to give us the juice of that breast. It's going to give us a little bit of the stock. Once we have fried the chicken, not completely, like about let's say 70%, we're going to take that out, and we're going to add in our onions, saute for 1 to 2 minutes, add in our garlic as well, saute for 1 to 2 minutes. And once everything is nice and is sauteed and your house smells really good, add in your bell peppers, saute them for a bit, and then add in our chicken breast. This is the base of a stir fry. You can play around with this. You can just add soy sauce, you can season it, and you can actually eat it like this, but I want it to be a sauce, so I'm going to be adding in my can of tomatoes, potatoes, some water, and season it as well. I'm gonna be seasoning with salt, black pepper, red chili flakes, and Italian seasoning. Because this is gonna be a sauce that's going next to jollof rice, it's gonna be really thick, so I'm gonna be leaving it to simmer for a bit. The last part of my meal prep is here. Kosi's house girl makes amazing food. Apparently she's even a trained chef. Every couple of weeks I text her and I ask her to make food for me. It used to be jollof rice, but now I have jollof rice and stir fry spaghetti. I'm gonna be sectioning this into different containers, and these are gonna be my meals for the next 2 weeks. We have the usual jollof rice. Her jollof rice is so good. She uses rosemary, herbs, like it's so damn good. And now we have stir-fry spaghetti with veggies and chicken and bell peppers. I'm very happy. Apart from these little bits that I have left, I have a total of 8 meals. 4 meals of jollof rice, 4 meals of spaghetti. This spaghetti right here has chicken and veggies in it, so I don't need to do anything else, just warm and go. This needs chicken, which I have already marinated if you watched earlier in the video. So I'm all set for food this week. With the way everything is set up right now, I am good for meals for about the next week and a half. I have jollof rice, I have stir-fry spaghetti, I have potatoes, I have chicken, I have chicken sauce. Everything for lunch and dinner is ready, which is usually the main point of contention when it comes to like, what am I gonna eat? How do I stay, on top of my fitness goals and everything like that. Very happy for me, very happy for everything that I've been able to set up. Before we go, please do me a favor and click to the subscribe button so you can join my family here on YouTube. Also, do not forget to serve to the notification bell so that you get notifications whenever I upload a new video. Also, do not forget to enjoy your meal to the like button so you can tell YouTube that this video is awesome and to recommend it to other people as well. Do not forget to be awesome, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!